Hi, I'm Dr. Sian Cole, health psychologist, with a mindfulness exercise. This exercise is called labeling. So it is a simple but effective skill, and labeling means silently using a word to label whatever it is that you are noticing. So whenever you become aware of a strong sensation, emotion, or urge, you simply acknowledge its presence in the same way as you would nod at an old acquaintance who was walking past on the other side of the street. And as you do that, you silently say to yourself, feeling. Likewise, whenever you become aware of thoughts, memories, or mental images, you simply acknowledge their presence and you silently say to yourself, thinking. If you want to, you can use slightly longer labels. For example, you might use the phrase thinking about work or feeling frustrated. So that is all there is to do with this exercise. Each time you notice a thought or memory, you label it thinking, and each time you notice an emotion, urge, or sensation, you label it feeling. Aside from that, the exercise is very similar to mindfulness of the breath. So find yourself a comfortable position with your feet firmly on the floor and your back straight. If you are sitting, or if you're lying down with your head supported, your feet together and your arms down by your side. And you may want to fix your attention on the spot on the wall or floor or ceiling, or you may want to close your eyes, whatever you prefer. And for the next few breaths, I want you to focus on emptying your lungs. Breathing out completely, emptying your lungs totally, and then noticing that once your lungs are empty, they will automatically refill all by themselves. Notice that there is no need to take a deep breath in. Once your lungs are empty, they will automatically refill. For the next few minutes, there is nothing to do but to observe the breath mindfully, noticing it coming and going, and observing it as if it's something that you have never experienced before. Observing it as a friendly and curious scientist would notice every nuance, every aspect of your breath as it goes in and out of your nostrils, down through your throat into your lungs, and back out again. As you observe your breathing, distractions will arise within you. They may be form of thoughts and feelings. And the moment you become aware of a distracting thought, memory, or mental picture, simply acknowledge its presence and silently say to yourself, thinking, and then let it be, and gently refocus on the breath. If you become aware of a sensation, urge, or emotion, then acknowledge its presence and silently say to yourself, feeling, then let it be, and gently refocus on the breath. Again and again, you will find that your attention wanders. Some thought or feeling will hook you in and carry you away. The moment you have realized that this has happened, simply label what distracted you, either thinking or feeling, then let it be. And gently refocus on your breathing. Notice the air coming and going through your nostrils. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your ribcage. And if you haven't done so already, just allow your breathing to find its own regular rate of breathing. There is no need to keep controlling it. Just let it find its own natural rate and rhythm. If you feel bored or anxious, or you're noticing a bit of an ache, then simply acknowledge it and label it. Feeling anxious, feeling an ache. Just silently name it, let it be, and refocus on your breath. Again and again, bring your attention back to the breath, no matter how many times it wanders. No matter how difficult the feelings that arise, just allow them to be there. Breathe into them, make room for them, and allow them to be. You don't have to like it or want it, to just simply allow it. Let it be and refocus on your breathing. If you experience worrying or unpleasant thoughts, simply label them as thinking. Then let them come and go and refocus on your breath. Again and again, returning your attention to the movement of your breath, following the air in through the nostrils and down the throat to the lungs and back out again. And if your attention wanders 1,000 times, then gently bring it back 1,000 times. And again, just label any distraction, thinking or feeling. Let it be and come back to the breath. And now expanding your awareness, not just noticing your breath, but also your body, the position of your arms and legs, your back and your neck and your head, noticing your body and your breathing at the same time. Expanding your awareness even further, noticing the sounds in the room, as well as your breathing, as well as your body. Then expanding the awareness even further, noticing your breathing, your body, sounds that you can hear, and your thoughts and your feelings all at once. And noticing too, as you open your eyes now, noticing what you can see around you, as well as what you can hear and feel, perhaps having a stretch and coming back into the room and getting very present, very aware of what you can see and hear and touch in this moment. And taking the moment to congratulate yourself for making the effort to learn a valuable life-enhancing skill and cultivate a sense of mindfulness for the rest of your day.